Hello everyone, this is Hetal Poria. Welcome to part 7 of CorelDRAW series. In this video, we are going to cover the following topics. That is, we are going to continue with the blend tool. I'm going to show you one different thing, how to use the blend tool in that thing. Then Distort tool, envelope tool, and extrude tool. Okay, so let's begin. So let's continue with the blend tool. I have my new document screen over here. Now what if you want to blend your object through the path? On the path, if you want to blend your object, then how you can do that? So let's say I have one, you can see, go first of all, go to common shape, go to any shape you can take. I want to take heart, then I will do this, and I will color this shape. Okay, then I'll click on OK, and I'll double click on this, select this heart, and double click on this. You can add, and you can see here various gradient effect are given, color effect is given, textures are given. You can add, you can take any of the texture you want. Okay, say for example I want this effect and I want to change the color to from red blue to red. Okay, so this is my effect and I want to do I want this. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to take duplicate copy of this heart, control C and control V, then take this tool. Okay, just wait. Okay, then separate this. Okay, now you have to use blend tool on both of this heart. Already my blend tool is activated. I will do and like this. Okay, you can see my blend tool is done. Now I want this blending on my object, on my path. My path is again this heart. Okay, I want this all the heart on this path. So what, for that purpose, what I will do is I will click on this blend tool, go to blend tool, and I will say new path. Now you can see my arrow over here, this arrow. You can click on your path. Okay, now see, this is, now this whole your this each and every heart is on the this big heart, but you don't, this, it looks messy. I want this very precisely and perfectly. So for that purpose I will click on here and I will click on blend along full path. Now you can see how each path is, now each object is okay. Also you can add and decrease the heart from here. Only I want okay, I want only 18. Okay, so this is perfect, this is looking perfect. Now you want this heart, this line to be removed from this heart. So for that purpose what you're going to do is this, go to pick tool, right click, break blend apart, then again right click, then convert to curves. Now you can see using this you can, okay, just wait. You can take this shape out of it and you can just delete it. Okay, so this is how you can get your blending also, and you can use, you can create different object using blending tool. Okay, now our next topic is distort tool. Now what, by the name of the distort you can identify that it is used to change the shape of the object. So let's take a star shape and I want to make flower out of it. Okay, so what I will do is I will go to distort and I will click this point and I will drag it like this. See, you can how easily shape of the flower is available to you without using any pen tool. So this is the beauty of the shape tool. Okay, you can also you can get many preset tool also. You can see, now let's say for example I want this circle. I will go to distort. When I'll go to distort, let me take this over here and add any color to it. Okay, when I'll click to distort over here, I will get some preset. Now what you can see, each and every preset is doing some changes to it. Okay, you can with this preset see how you can get your different designs. Okay, these designs you may never know how to do it. Okay, so this is so easily available to you. Now you can see there are twister. Okay, see this way, like any effect you can give, distort effect, any effect you can want to join a random image, okay, random logo, so you can do this distorting effect of the object. You can try various distort effects. See, you can also apply this through your text also. This is how you can use your distort tool. Now the next tool we are going to see is envelope tool. So our next tool will be envelope tool. Now how to work with the envelope tool, we'll see that. Now we'll take a new document. Let's say my document is this, okay. Now for the envelope, what does this envelope tool do? What is the basic use of envelope? So envelope tool, it used for shaping objects by using envelopes. In CorelDRAW lets you shape objects including lines, artistic text and paragraph text frames by applying envelopes to them. Envelopes, you can say, are made up of nodes that you can move to shape the envelope. Shape the envelope means if you have something and you want to shape that. So for example, if you have object, like if you've written something text or anything and you want to give shape to the text, then you can do that using envelope, and as a result change the shape of the object. Okay, so we'll see first how to do the envelope. So for that, we'll take one rectangle, fill the rectangle, and over here you can find your envelope tool. Okay, now my envelope tool is ready. Now there are various options. First of all, we'll say preset. What does this preset do? Now this rectangle is now converted to circle. So this is how your rectangular. See, likewise you can change the shape of the object. Also you can do this using various other tools, but the envelope tool will help you to do it more precisely. Then you can see, okay, then you can see rectangular slant. You can have it directly gives you the result. You don't have to do anything. Then pinch, okay, see, this is how you can, okay, then also after here also you can change its shape and see like this way. Okay, so this is the beauty of the envelope tool, push up and push down. Okay, so this is how you can change your envelope tool. Now there is other use of the envelope tool also. Let's say for example this is unconstrained mode. In unconstrained mode you can change the shape of your rectangle in any way you can want, from upside downward or any side you can do it. Okay, so this is how you can. Now there is one more thing, that is straight line mode. Now what does this do? This will only convert your into straight line. Okay, you can see the straight line over here. Okay, this is how you can do this. Then you can see this is you can use you should use envelope more in text effect than this object effect. Okay, so we'll see first text effect. I will write my text over here. Say for example I'm writing CorelDRAW, and I'll increase the size of the shape, change its color. Okay, I need to select it for changing my color. Let's take some dark color. So my text is ready, and what I will do is I will increase the thickness of my text. I'll do it bold. Okay, so my font is ready. Now what I have to do, I want to change the shape of this text using envelopes. I will go to envelope tool, and you see you can how easily you can change the shape of the this shape. Okay, you must have seen this effect in brochures, or you can see many advertisement that you can see the fancy effects are there. So how does that fancy effects is done? So this is where you can envelope your you can say text inside this border line. Okay, you can also apply this rectangular envelope or freehand, you can do anything. Okay, now this is simply used for adding and deleting the nodes. So we can do is there are various envelopes are available. If you want this envelope to be in a bottle shape, so what you will do is you can convert this into the shape of the bottle. Okay, like say for example, you can see there are various handle available. Using that handle also you can change the shape. So this is how envelope can be used to increase the shape. Now say for example you want both sides same envelope up to be applied. So what you will do, you can click on shift, wait, just a second. Okay, into envelope. I'll go to envelope and I'll click shape with, okay, first you have to click on the node, then you can click on the shape. See. Okay, so this is how you can do this. You can change this horizontal, vertical, in any. Okay, and if you don't want any envelope, then you can just simply click on clear envelope. So this is how you can use your envelope. Let's start with our last tool, that is our extrude tool. Okay, what does this extrude tool does? Extrude tool is used in conjunction with an existing 2D shape or a shape in a scene. Okay, it is used for designing a 3D object, you can say. It is used to see the top and bottom view, and you can identify what should be there on the top and bottom view. It allows you to create an extruded 3D shape from the selected 2D shape. What does it do? You have 2D shape, but it allows you to make 3D shape from that 2D shape by using the extrude tool. Okay, and by various parameters. So let's take our first 2D shape. Let's say for example. Now what I want to do is I will click on extrude over here, and see, you can see my 3D effect over here. Okay, you can give this effect to anything. See, now what I have to do is you just have to, if you want to use a color of different color, you can see presets are also available. Which presets you want, you can see the bottom and extrude bottom. This top will give you top view of the object, and this bottom will give the bottom view of the object. Okay, you can select any of this from here, which view you can want. Okay, see, you can see how 3D effect is there. You can change its effect also. You can see this. Likewise, you can get the bottom view of it. Let's say for example we want only this view right now. You can change this color also from using, you can also get your gradient color. So using this you can get your extrude and 3D view. Okay, so this was all about this extrude with 3D view. Thank you.